What if I told you that ground you walk on could prevent electrical disasters? Let's find out how soil resistivity plays a key role. Soil resistivity measures how easily electricity travels through the ground. The lower the resistivity, the better the grounding. Clay conducts well, while rocky soil can create problems for grounding systems. Good soil resistivity means better protection against electrical surges, lightning, and faults.